When someone needs support with their nutrition, main meals like lunch and dinner play an important role. We can fortify these meals to give them an extra boost. Today, we're making a simple fortified pasta dish. There's lots of different powders on the market. Here we're using an AYMES neutral powder. Okay, so our pasta is already cooked. So now we're going to add some of our sauce. And today I've got a lovely tomato-based sauce. So we'll add that to the pan and mix that in. Make sure your pasta is really well coated. And then we're going to add our powder supplement. Today we're using a neutral powder. Okay, I'm going to pop that into the pan as well. Make sure you've got it all in and stir until it's really well combined. The aim here is to heat your pasta and sauce and powder gently until it's warmed through. Just be careful that it doesn't boil. Once your pasta is cooked, you can add it into your bowl for a lovely, warm, nutritious meal. This can make a great light lunch or an evening meal. You can add any toppings you want to the pasta, but a little bit of grated cheese is a brilliant way of adding extra flavor and protein to your pasta. If you want to change the taste, you can also use a savory flavored supplement instead, such as AYMES ActaSolve Savoury. It's great when everyday foods can meet all your nutritional needs, but if that's not possible, simple fortification can help provide a little extra support. Thanks for watching, and for more helpful tips on living well at home, don't forget to like and subscribe.